Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much guys for joining me for another session. Today's video guys will be a reset in my living area. I will also be cooking a late lunch, and today's lunch will be green banana pie, some baked chicken and vegetable stir fry. So let's get started. So right now I'm just doing a little straightening up, putting things back in their rightful place, and then I'm going to do a quick light dusting and some vacuuming. So to start off the decorating, I removed one of the lamps, and in its place I am adding this gorgeous floral arrangement, and the florals do give a hint of the colors that I will be using in the space. Next, to balance out the other side table, I am adding some blue candles, a wooden storage box to create some height, and to the box I am going to add this bouquet of greenery with a touch of yellow. At this time guys, I'm going to put a pause on the reset and get started on lunch. So here I am starting off with the green bananas, and I am simply cutting off the two ends of the bananas, and I'm going to slice down the side, and then I'm going to let that cook in some boiling salted water until tender while I continue with the reset. So back in the living room, I am placing my everyday throw on the couch, and I have decided to place it down the middle of the couch. Next, I have added these two caramel throw pillows. The covers are from Amazon. I've added them to each end of the sofa, and I'm going to pair them with these really colorful decorative ones, also from Amazon. Alright, so the green bananas are ready, and I'm going to remove the skin in a while, but I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the sauce. And so for the sauce, I have an assortment of fresh seasonings and some cheddar cheese, some butter, some cooking cream, and some evaporated milk. So now that I have removed the skin from the green bananas, I'm going to mash everything in a bowl. And then I'm going to get started on making the cheese sauce. For the cheese sauce, I'm starting out with a little butter in a saucepan, and to that I'm adding the fresh seasoning, and I'm going to allow it to stew and simmer for a minute or two. Next, I am adding some cooking cream and some evaporated milk. Next, I am going to add the cheese, and I'm going to save some of that cheese to sprinkle over the top of the mixture when I put it in the baking dish. Now that the cheese sauce is ready, I am going to pour the cheese sauce into the mashed green bananas and give it a good mix. Then I'm going to pour the mixture into a baking dish that I had previously sprayed with some cooking spray. And then I'm going to sprinkle the remaining cheese over the top. Alright guys, so here I have some pre-seasoned chicken drums, which I will also put in the oven together with the pie. The chicken will bake for about an hour, while the pie bakes for about half of that time. And the setting for the oven will be 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And here we have it guys, the lunch is ready. So I have the green banana pie. I did do the vegetable stir fry off camera, and in there I have some broccoli, carrots and cabbage. And finally, here is the baked chicken. So here we have it, guys. Lunch is served and you are free to come and join me. Guys, I want to thank you so much for your for just staying with me, for watching right up until the end. I appreciate it. Take care of yourselves as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.